Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, tech heads. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Huawei P60 Pro, the smartphone that's making waves in the world of mobile photography. With its impressive low light and zoom capabilities, Huawei is taking on the likes of Apple, Google, and Samsung in the race to produce the best smartphone camera. But there's a catch. As a Huawei phone, it doesn't support Google services or the Play Store. So is it worth it? We'll be diving deep into the features of the P60 Pro, weighing up the pros and cons and giving you our honest opinion on whether this phone is right for you. Design and build. Black and Rococo Pearl are the two colors available for the P60 Pro, and we have to say that the latter is absolutely stunning. It stands out from other smartphones with a distinctive marble-like pattern and a nice gloss to the finish. However, it's important to keep in mind that the Rococo Pearl model costs an additional £100 or €200, so you'll have to shell out more money for that exquisite finish. The P60 Pro has a curved shape that feels great in the hand, and its light being 200 grams and slim being 8.3 millimeters, making it easy to use for extended periods. The camera module is on the left-hand side with the main sensor dominating the design. This departure from the two big circular lenses seen on the Huawei P50 Pro gives the P60 Pro a unique look, and it's designed to look and shoot like a camera in landscape mode. One thing to note is that there isn't a headphone jack, which is becoming more common in smartphones at this price point. However, Huawei does provide a clear case in the box for extra protection. The P60 Pro has an IP68 rating, which means it's water-resistant and can withstand submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. In terms of storage, the P60 Pro has a dual SIM slot that also takes Huawei's proprietary nano memory cards for more storage. The phone also features a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. Overall, the Huawei P60 Pro was a premium smartphone that looks and feels like a high-end device. The stunning Rococo Pearl finish and slim design make it easy to use, and the IP68 rating provides peace of mind when using it in wet conditions. While the lack of a headphone jack may be a downside for some users, it's becoming more common in smartphones at this price point. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone with a unique design and premium features, the Huawei P60 Pro is definitely worth considering. Screen and speakers. The Huawei P60 Pro is a smartphone that boasts an impressive 6.67-inch curved glass display with a resolution of 2700 by 1220. This high-definition screen offers a pixel density that surpasses the standard 1080p HD, resulting in bold and bright colors that are perfect for watching videos. While the quality is not as impressive as some of its competitors, such as the Galaxy S23 Plus, it is comparable to that of the iPhone 14 Pro. The display also features Cumulin glass protection, which is Huawei's in-house alternative to Corning Gorilla Glass. During our testing, we accidentally dropped the phone onto a ceramic plate, and we were pleased to see that it emerged unscathed. In terms of security, the P60 Pro has an under-display fingerprint sensor that works well, but the face recognition feature can falter in low light or if the user is wearing glasses. The phone's single selfie camera only has 2D face unlock, which is less secure than the 3D face scanning found on the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. One of the P60 Pro's standout features is its adaptive refresh rate, which can display between 1 and 120 Hz. This means that the phone can balance slick graphics with battery life, giving users the option to switch between high 120 and standard 60 Hz depending on their power consumption needs. The phone also has a 300 Hz touch sampling rate, making it incredibly fast and responsive for gaming. In terms of audio, the P60 Pro has stereo speakers located at the top and bottom of the phone. These speakers are loud and punchy, and certain music tracks have clearly defined bass, mids, and highs. While it lacks some of the processing power found in smartphones such as the Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, it is still an impressive addition to the phone's features. Camera. The Huawei P60 Pro's camera is a standout feature of the phone with a triple camera setup led by a 48 megapixels main lens that has a variable aperture, allowing for natural background blur and better low-light shots. The camera also has a 13 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 48 megapixels telephoto camera with 3.5 times optical zoom, excelling at zoomed-in low-light shots. The main lens copes well with colors and captures fine details, and the AI image enhancing works well. The super macro mode is great for close-up shots, but the 13 megapixels wide-angle lens is not as high quality. The portrait mode is excellent for people or animal shots, and the front camera has a wide-angle mode for group selfies. Video recording is available in 4K 1080p and 720p, with decent audio quality and steady footage. Overall, the Huawei P60 Pro's camera is impressive and suitable for photography enthusiasts looking for a smartphone camera that rivals a DSLR. So there you have it, the Huawei P60 Pro has undoubtedly delivered a top-notch camera setup that excels in low light, zoomed-in shots, and detailed textures. With its physical variable aperture tech and AI image enhancing, it's an excellent camera for both amateur and professional photographers alike. However, the 13-megapixels wide-angle lens may pale in comparison to the quality of the two other lenses, and video recording may have some minor issues. Overall, if you're looking for a phone with an exceptional camera, the Huawei P60 Pro is certainly worth considering. So will you be purchasing this product? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one.